After yesterday's rain, I thought for sure I'd have a chance to geocache in the snow, but I don't, because on this side of the hill we don't even have the fog. What we do have is a beautiful day and 3 first to find possibilities. So come join me. Looks like this area escaped the fire. What it didn't escape was the efforts of the firefighters to fight the fire. Here's a fire line that was bulldozed down right through this area, and apparently is the reason that we have some first to find opportunities, because although the fire didn't get them, the firefighters did. Mr. DSW said you may have to wade across the river, as I did, to set this geocache, and that's what it looks like we're going to need to do, because boy, there's no way else to cross. So here we go. In case you're wondering, it's cold and it's above my knees. It's steep. Oh man, that was pretty tough. So we're on the other side. Let's go. A little chilly, huh? All right. Well, that looked easy.
Just do that, man. Got it.
All right. High five all around. I have one of my geocaches I checked on. Looks like it's deteriorated and maybe the log is destroyed, but I have a replacement, so I'll put it back and it'll live on. Well, I've seen worse logs, so I've dried it off and I'm going to put it back. As we walk along, this is an area that was all bulldozed to make a fire break. Description says it's a few feet off the trail, hidden in a scrub oak. There's a scrub oak. Let's see if we can make the find. And as fully expected, link log, first to find. So did you hear that sigh? Because I looked in my pocket and I realized I don't have a pen. My father always used to say a camper must be resourceful. So I got a stick, scratched in my name. I'm putting one of my scottinojaivideos pins from IB Geocaching in there, and hopefully that'll be enough to prove first to find. So I found the second one, and at this point I think I'm going to go ahead and pretty much sign off this video. You got the gist. I find the cache. I'm first to find. I still don't have a pen. Sign it in mud, and I leave a business card to prove that I was here. But, Mr. DSW, thanks for setting these. Everybody else, thanks for joining me.